Hi there, it's Lisa from Active Domestics. Now, when you're doing a really big job, get as many people helping you as possible. We had the goal of resurfacing our upper deck up above, but of course we had to get everything off the deck up above and off the deck from below. And so of course we're going to take that opportunity to give everything a really thorough clean whilst we were at it. You can see how dirty that ceiling is there. Now my husband's also using the water blaster down there to clean those pavers, and as part of the resurfacing process we had to put this chemical cleaning agent on, and then it had to be water blasted off. So you can see how the dirt just comes through all those crevices from below. Then we had to get into the detailed cleaning. So I'm just using my microfiber mop there, flat mop, which of course you've seen me use many times, and really giving that a very thorough clean. So I've just got a bit of detergent and also some vinegar in that water to deter any mildew growth. So I'm giving all the walls and the louvers and everything a really good clean while I'm at it, because heck, may as well, we're going to this trouble, gotta get everything looking as good as possible. It was time. Last time we cleaned this deck area, it was actually winter, and so we didn't give it we didn't do such a great job. And you can see how handy that flat mop is for really making a quick job of those railings there. And you'll see in a future video that I'm going to shoot how useful these flat mops can actually get into some really tight places. I've got some plans coming, but look at that, I can just lean over that tall deck there and easily wipe that other side. So working from top to bottom, of course, everything bottom then had to have a really thorough clean before, we'd finished the process of the cleaning. And then it was on to the deck staining. So all of this was a new experience for us. Neither of us had done this before, but we're always big fans of really doing a lot of cleaning and prep work, and then that makes such a good job of the painting side of things. And it looks great. Like, you can see how old that deck is looking there, and it's just come up looking really good. So that was the first coat of the deck stain, and then the second coat. So job well done, and we're really happy we got that finished. Thank you very much for watching.